So I hung my little bucket, which is really just a paper pulled pot, that I baited with a little bit of lemongrass, into the tree, and the swarm landed on it. This is Nimba-Noelle's swarm. And as the swarm was getting heavier, she came further and further down. Now she's right here, right above the box.
Yeah, see me making my really serious face. That's a little tricky. Ooh, I got one right here.
Be right by your hair clip.
I know, buddy.
Oh, I just blew it.
Shush.
We are about to introduce the swarm from yesterday into this beauty. So she decided to spend the night outside, still clustered up. And now this morning, there's activity going into the entrance. So this is considered the entrance for the bees. And this entrance hole is actually angled upward or downward from the inside. And that prevents water from running to the inside of the hive. And on the side here, we have the entrance for the bee tender. Let me show you inside. We cut those ridges to encourage propolis membrane. And since the swarm just moved in, they are huddled at the very top. Nala is very happy in her new spot. She's very busy building comb inside. And when you put your ear up to the side of the hive, you can hear crunching and crinkling of comb building.